How do you fix Birdwatching notebook is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options, you will need to add -dx11 to the box and then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is in the description below. And from this table here, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And once you finish the installation of your distributables, it will require you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, you will need to also check if your GPU has the latest driver updates. You can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And from the drivers section, you can check for driver updates and install the latest available updates. Next, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then launch the game from your library, and that should fix the crash problem for you. Thanks for watching and subscribe.